National Prescription Drug Take Back Day is returning this weekend.
The event is part of the Drug Enforcement Administration's mission to prevent the abuse of prescription medication. And you can drop off tablets, capsules, patches, even vapes. Last year, nearly 630,000 pounds of unwanted medications were collected nationwide.
Well, today, 7 News Detroit's Christiana Ford speaking with drug enforcement agents and a local nonprofit working on the front lines of this epidemic.
It's a potentially life-saving initiative, a safe way to get rid of unneeded or expired prescriptions so that they don't end up in the wrong hands. At Christian Guidance Center on Detroit's east side.
What we provide is outpatient services, residential, withdrawal management.
Every day is busy. Vice President of Treatment Darlene Owens manages substance abuse services and care for men and women.
Our thing is to try to give them a safe landing and the treatment that they need.
The treatment program offered through the Detroit Rescue Mission Ministries works to interrupt the connection between homelessness and addiction.
We see it every day. A lot of our folks that we see in our shelters that we actually try to reach out to put them into our treatment programs.
Owens says one entry point of addiction is getting a hold of someone else's medication.
Quite simply, very quickly for anyone. So it doesn't take that long for anyone to become addicted. The thing is that we got to get them when they first start so we can break the cycle.
According to the CDC, nearly 87,000 Americans died from drug overdoses in 2024. That's why Owens says what might seem small, getting rid of unneeded, expired medications, could mean life or death.
It actually takes a pill off of the street. So it's something that we believe in. We take all of our unused drugs and we drop them off. The main place that I normally use is the 12th precinct.
Detroit Police, one of more than 4,400 law enforcement partners across the country, working with the DEA to host the 28th National Prescription Drug Take Back Day on Saturday.
We make sure that these medicines, usually for legitimate medical reasons, don't get in the hands of our communities that don't need it or that are going to divert these controlled substances in an illegitimate way.
Since its inception in 2010, more than 19 million pounds of medication have been removed from circulation.
This most definitely saves lives.
To find the closest drop-off location to you, we have a list on our website, WXYZ.com. On the west side, Christiana Ford, 7 News Detroit.
Thank you so much, Christiana.